Hey guys, what's up, and hope all of you are doing really great. So recently PNY has sent us a parcel which I doubt will have something exciting to show you into it. So let's unbox it. Well, I am so much excited because I think so it will have something really special for you guys. Okay, really it has the same thing I was thinking about. So they have sent us NVMe drive, guys, which is 1 TB and one of the top notch NVMe drives of the PNY, and their DDR5 RAMs which are 32 GB thanks to the PNY, and also a shirt which is really cool. Well guys, the main thing I want to show you is this, guys. Well, I am thankful to the PNY for sending us their top of the notch RTX 4080, guys, which is recently been introduced into the market. And guys, we have our really big plans with this GPU, guys. We are going to use this GPU into our upcoming custom cooling builds and also the normal builds as well, guys. For that content, stay tuned to our YouTube and Instagram. And thanks again to the PNY for sending us this, and I will see you into the next one now. Thank you.